Do you want to change the region on your PS5? Then you are at the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. How to change or region of the PS account. You can change the country or region of your PS account via settings. To do so, follow these steps. From the PS5 home screen, go to settings. Scroll down and click on users and accounts. Navigate to the address section. Sign in to your PlayStation Network account if prompted. Once signed in, change your address to reflect the new region you desire. Remember, these changes might affect the availability of certain games and services, so choose wisely. How to check your country or region. If you want to check the country or region online, then sign in to the account management page. Sign in with your PS account credentials, go to your information, then select residential address. Next, click on the edit button. Now, from here, you should be able to check the country or region. How to contact PlayStation support in the country or region. To get in touch with PlayStation support in the country or region registered on your account, reach out to PlayStation support in the country or region that matches your PSN account. Use the PlayStation country selector. You can access the link from the description below. Alternatively, you can enter your country or region name in the search engine along with PlayStation support to directly access the support page specific to your account or region. When should you check your account, country or region? Now, here is when you need to check the country or region of your PS account. You should check your account, country or region before purchasing games, subscription or contacting PlayStation support. The country or region of PlayStation Store on your console is what you have registered on your account. Content and services available on PlayStation Store vary by country or region. Add-ons can't be used with a game disc if its country or region does not match with the country of the game disc. Check the small print on the back of the game box to find the country or region the game is licensed for. You can ask the retailer for the game's country or region license information. Game save data cannot be read on another accounts registered in different country or region. Voucher codes and accounts country or region must match to be activated successfully. For physical vouchers, look for a printed flag indicating the country or region. And there you have it, the methods to change region and get region related information on your PS5. Check out the description below for links to purchase the tagged products. We hope the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about this video. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.